So how do you arrange the contacts in the favorites on the iPhone? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this one. So at first you can go to the Contacts app and then decide which ones you add to the favorites list, right? You can browse some contacts, click on add to favorites, and also choose a specific type of the contact which you want to add there, right? So you might add like a message, quick shortcut, or a phone or FaceTime, whatever is available for that person. But the favorites list doesn't show up inside of the Contacts app, but instead in the phone app. So you have to move to the phone, and at the bottom you have the favorites star icon, and you'll see all of the things which we added. However, to reorganize it, click on edit and then grab the individual entries with the handle in the right, and you can reorganize it as much as you want, right? So that is how you can arrange the favorite contacts. Obviously, you can click the minus icon and delete it if you wanted to do it, and that's how it works. Or click on the plus option and choose a different contact from the contacts list to be added to the favorites. So that's how it works. It's pretty simple. That's everything I wanted to show you. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next videos as well. Stay tuned for more, and I'll see you later.